Welcome back to the recipe for today. Some country style chicken, rice and peas. So starting by blaming my coconut. So wash it first, dig it out. You're going to wash it some running water. So I don't have to wash it off and things. So you dig it, put the ox and thing and wash it off before you blame it. Cut it up and thing, you can see it right here. Nice small sizes. The coconut ox and thing there. You can see peas right there with some ginger, garlic, starting by doing the coconut and share. Starting with the coconut with the rice over the one here. Some green seed. Here I try to this one right there. We're going to sun them in the recipe. And then we're going to make a nice and alright. We're going to put the coconut and simple, natural. Peas. So remember if you sink the peas, throw some water in the peas. Don't take the fork and sink the peas, throw some water and the peas sink. But don't go and cook till it gets soft. I have some green seasoning right there. I have some Maggi seasoning. Coconut well juiced and straight out one side. Putting the rice and peas. The rice and peas are boiled, the peas are cooked and thing there. Yeah, another update again for the coconut juice, delicious. Update on the peas, presentation, delicious. And put some green seasoning, start seasoning rice and peas now. So I'm showing step by step, put in the scallion, pepper, showing the coconut juice. I'll show you all of my ingredients in, I'm using my recipe. So please, watch the video to the end, like and share. Put some spice, little season to taste and flavor. Whoa, wrong pot cover. Alright, that is a mistake, yeah, so I correct it. So I put some salt, taste and flavor. We don't want it too salt because we put all the spices in together. We put little sugar to taste and flavor. And when everything combined together, it gives a preserved taste, quality, delicious finger licking. So the rice and peas pasta boil up and thing now, you can see the whole of the green seasoning, delicious, smell good. I tell you, real natural Jamaican rice and peas. Please remember for like and share and subscribe. Another update on the country style chicken. Well seasoned for the night before. Some add some oil to the pot. Well, we then fry some fish in the oil like and some pimento. You know so the oil clean, so put some garlic and flavor it up again and spice up it. So add the chicken, remember country style chicken. So I'm gonna fry them crystal brown. You can fry them like that, fry them till my own get brown and things. So please remember to make the oil hot. Don't put chicken at the cold oil because I will eat up my pot button. So my oil hot that bubble. Alright. So I'm showing you how me make my recipe. Yeah. So you know so I put the chicken at the pot, everything hold one this one at the pot right there. So I fix them together. You want a bigger pot still but you don't know. Another update on rice and peas that boil and thing. So if the chicken in there ready to look eatable, tasteable. Well, then flip and turn brown and things, and I go spice up my chicken now. And I turn it step by step. So I remove the back on the oil. And I pan and season it. Right? So you know some of the videos go on myself and I take them out and things. I pan the yes now, always Sunday hungry. Yeah, but you don't know you look on it, you can't put the pot put the pot with glove and things because when I put glove on the pot, you know it tastes nice. Another update on the chicken and the well fried crystal brown there. Yeah. So you know so I'm gonna show them season the chicken. So easy way me prepare my recipe. I'm gonna show them how me season my chicken on the stove. I add some ketchup, carrot, sweet pepper, scallion, thyme, onion, garlic, and add some water. Remember country style chicken. I'm gonna add the rice and the peas cook and things. So you don't put custard there. Boil and you can see the pimento, the whole of the spice, the ginger and thing. You know the ginger with the rice and peas, tasteable, delicious. You get a different flavor. Ginger I'm not like but you don't have to put too much, just put a little piece. Yeah. So everything combined together and preserve and give it a decent flavor. Delicious. You can see green pepper, you know say rice and peas and see chicken there. Season up one side and it's already. So put it on the fire, country style chicken. Rice and peas are simmer down. They want about 5 minutes to go and turn it up and it dry out. You don't want it burn, you don't want it tough, you just want it to go and steam right out. Remember, Jamaican cooking with Lumberjack. Please like and share. Watch the video to the end. Remember to leave a comment and also subscribe. It's rice and peas, delicious, eatable, tasteable. Remember, country style chicken, rice and peas recipe. Sunday dinner, simple not a recipe. Right? Another update on the country style chicken there. Very spice up the flatten fry one side there. And for small flatten, say me pot bigger than the flatten, so we don't fry it and thing the right there, so. Rice and peas, well presentation. Chicken, well presentation, eatable. Wow. Item there, hungry mouth I run water, another update. I'm going to stir rice and peas and things still. Want about 2 more minutes. Alright. See flatten there. Well fry and brown presentation. Chicken, well crystal brown presentation, eatable in the pot, delicious. Finger licking recipe. Another update again, you know, so the rice and peas ready and thin down recipe ready. So please remember to like and share, subscribe. Delicious.